Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Angelique, also known as Nino Marie. And if you are new here, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment below. If you are not new here, welcome back. This day I was so excited to do my hair, y'all. I was running behind schedule because I was taking my time and I went to the gym, as you guys can see. But I had to hurry up and get the washing process over with. So stay tuned. So this is what my curls look like after washing it with clarifying shampoo twice. You can't see it, but it's the oat protein and henna from Design Essentials, and then following up with a moisturizing shampoo, the honey cream. And mind you, I use the color Wow when I straighten my hair for Valentine's Day. Right now it is it February 28th, I believe. So my curls aren't like completely straight, but this is what we're looking like. We are about to deep condition. Okay, so now we're about to deep condition. Of course, I'll show you guys, I'm using all Design Essentials products. I'm using the almond butter. You guys probably can't see because of the light, sorry. And then I'm using their vitamin restore treatment. So I'm gonna put these two together and we're gonna deep condition. My steamer broke, so we are going to use a shower cap and sit under the hooded dryer. So always finger detangle first, and then you wanna go in with your detangling tool of your choosing and then twist it up. Listen, don't judge me. I look crazy under this dryer and my neck was burning. I'll make sure to put a shirt on next time. But I know some of y'all like to see the whole entire process. So here you go. So when y'all boil y'all's water and y'all ready to dip y'all's Locs, make sure the bubbles are gone, okay? So I'm just gonna show this for demonstrating purposes. Dipped one. It's extremely hot. Then I'm gonna lay it straight. I'm just grabbing the other ones for you guys. Just to show you, this is what it looks like before the dip. You see how it's crinkly? I don't want it to be crinkly like that. So we're gonna dip. And that's all I'm doing because it's very, very, very hot. But same gist. Woo, that's hot. But here is what it's looking like, you guys. Now we are ready to install. Do you guys like your hair to be dipped or to be crinkly? Let me know in the comments below. So right now I am just putting heat protectant on my hair and a silk serum just to blow dry my hair. Always protect your hair when you are using direct heat. Alright, see y'all in 8 hours. My hair is finally prepped. We washed, we deep conditioned, blew it out. Now it is time to style it, and I'm really excited. I'm doing a crazy color, but y'all can't see it until I'm done. So I'll be back in 8 hours. Yeah, 8 hours straight through, not stopping. I'm excited. Yeah, so it's the last time you guys will see my hair for about a month, maybe 2. I don't know. We'll see how long I want to keep it up. But Stay tuned.
Best advice I can give y'all is to make sure that you have a mirror in front of you and behind you. I try to speed this part up just to get started, but I am going to slow it down and explain exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it if you have long hair or if you just want to tuck your hair and play with color. Now you see after I tucked my hair, now I am wrapping it with the spring twist hair, taking very small pieces in order to achieve the knotless look.
So I already did these two, just to show you guys the before. And I've tucked my hair. Remember, when you have lighter colors or when you just want extra security, always tuck your hair, and I'm going to show you that after this row. So I'm just going to show you. Got my hair, and to get that real invisible tiny look, you want to take a small piece. Sometimes I use a crochet needle and sometimes I don't. I don't have a lot of control for the back of my head, so I'm using it on me. Usually my clients, I don't use it and it doesn't slip. So your preference. I'm feeling for my hair, and I'm going to stick the crochet needle through. Okay. So now I'm going to start wrapping. Try to push it close to the root. You can control how tight you make the root. You kind of want to stay in one spot for a little bit just to make sure that you have coverage. Even though it is already fluffy, that's why I'm using the Afro Pinky Spring Twist. And then once I get close to where my hair and the lock matches, I'm going to take both of the pieces and I'm going to wrap for extra coverage to ensure that you have coverage over, sorry, your natural hair color. Then once I've wrapped down tightly, as you guys can see, now I'm going to loosely just wrap all the way down until there is no more. I hope I'm wrapping in the right direction because I started on the other side, so it kind of feels a little foreign. You see that leg? I'm going to hold it and continue to wrap. Again, I'm wrapping loosely because I've already dipped the locks. I'm not dipping them anymore. So if you don't want them to be like extremely stiff for the next couple of days, try to wrap down here loosely. And I used to use glue to seal the ends. I'll do it for my clients, but for me, I don't. I'll wrap up and then I'll wrap down until I have no more, and then I'll just do that. So here is what those three are looking like. I'll try to zoom in so that you guys can really see if I covered all of it. Hopefully I did, because I'm not starting over and I can't see the back. So again, on my hair, mind you, I got 18 inches, but after, when you dip it, it gets even longer because these are actually touching my butt. I don't have any I have underwear on, I don't have any pants on, so you guys can't see the bottom just yet. I'll show you when I'm done, but These babies are long. Okay. So here we are. So far, I went ahead and tucked my hair on this row, and now I'm about to wrap it, but we are making progress. So I'm so ready to be done, but it's cool. Right here, I wanted to show you guys in real time exactly what I do and how I do it. So I am just braiding my base, starting with just my real hair. I probably braid it down about 6 to 8 times. Then I'm going to get my lock, and I found that when I separated it, like opened it all the way up, that helped for when I was ready to wrap the lock around my real hair. So I just put the lock on one of my legs. I'll hold one side with the lock with my hand, and then I will continue to braid down maybe about four to 6 times. And then after that, you see how all that hair left? I'm not about to braid or twist it. I am just taking some jam and I am slicking my hair. And that's how I got done faster with having long hair as well. As you guys see, I am wrapping the lock over top of my real hair. And using the shine and jam helps so that it'll make the hair flatter for you. But just keep on wrapping until all of your hair is covered. Wrapping, wrapping, wrapping. We're almost done. Sometimes it can get a little bit tedious, but hang in there. It is definitely worth it. Keep wrapping, 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 wrapping. And we are finally done wrapping. Everybody want long hair until you gotta do it. Yeah, your hair will peek through, and that's fine. You can cover that once you start wrapping with the spring twist. I'll show you that. I wanted to show you guys in real time the wrapping process. So after you break off your piece of spring twist, mind you, you want it to be very thin, as you guys can see here. You can use a crochet needle to pull the hair through. Like I said before, sometimes I do use it on my hair for extra security, but for my clients, like I said, I don't. So if you're doing someone else's hair, you'll have more control. Y'all, please don't be alarmed. I get rid easily. It's not too tight, and my scalp is not irritated. But as you guys can see, I kind of stayed in one spot for a little bit, and then I started to wrap down. Once I passed where the lock in my hair met, then I am wrapping down very loosely. You kind of want to get that distressed type of look, so we are not overlapping it. We are kind of just corkscrewing it down the lock, if you will. But yeah, it's a very tedious process. Sometimes it was a bit too fluffy for my liking, so I tried to twirl the spring twist to kind of make it a more of a distressed look than a flat look, if that makes any sense.
By this time, y'all, we are making progress. We only have 1/4 of a section left to do. Y'all, I was so tired by this time. Mind y'all, I worked out before I did my hair. Y'all, I don't know what I was thinking, but I was mostly excited and ready to put my hair up. So, you gotta do what you gotta do. Keep moving. Yes, just showing y'all we made it to the other side finally. Like I said, I know some people want to see the whole entire process. I am one of those people. But yeah, you guys gotta start talking to me and letting me know what you guys want to see, what you guys like. Ask any questions below, and I will be sure to answer them for you. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. We on the Illuminati way.
Okay, y'all, I am done. Finally. Oh, I gotta see how long it took me, so I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so it took me 7 hours and 22 minutes. I stopped a couple of times just to like get something to eat, or I think that was it. But y'all, I love my hair. I love it already. I got a cut on it because it is super long, but this is what she is looking like. Hopefully you guys can see. It is super long. This is the 18 inches, but remember I zipped it, okay? Make sure you guys can see. But yeah, I love my hair, you guys. Parts complete. Not too many, not too heavy. I am going to style it in some lock knots. I don't have clear rubber bands. I forgot to purchase some clear rubber bands, so yeah, I will do that in another video. So if you guys made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you so very much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments below if you like seeing videos like this. I searched and there were no blue locks. I'm the type of person that just likes to watch people do their hair or see color on different people, you know what I'm saying? Just to say, like, ooh, that's gonna be fire on me or whatever. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm about to eat. I'm very hungry, but yeah. Let me know if y'all like my hair or whatever, because I do. Wait till I do my face. Like, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.